This is Mark Golding, Leader of the Opposition and President of the People's National Party. The Opposition joins with the Prime Minister in his appeal for those persons who have illegal guns or ammunition to give them up to the authorities, and also for persons who have information as to the whereabouts of illegal guns and ammunition to provide this information to the police or to Crime Stop so that they can be recovered. This is a national effort, and we must all play our part to fight against the violence that has been plaguing our society for far too long. We, the opposition, also support the initiative to provide financial rewards for information leading to the recovery of illegal guns and ammunition. Indeed, this was a program that was initiated in 2015 by the then PNP administration and was met with some success, but was subsequently discontinued. We would like to see it revived because we need a program like that that can incentivize persons to provide the information that is needed to get the illegal guns and ammunition off the streets. Please note, this is different to and should not be confused with a program to buy back weapons. We are supporting a program to incentivize the provision of information that lead to the recovery of illegal weapons and ammunition. We also call on the government to bring the new Firearms Act to Parliament without further delay, and the Enhanced Securities Measures Act, which are two deliverables that were committed to in the Crime Monitoring and Oversight Committee process and are now long overdue. The opposition will work on that legislation when it comes to Parliament to ensure that it is good legislation that will help to protect Jamaicans and make them safe. As I've said, this is a national effort, and as long as the laws we pass are consistent with our Constitution and the basic rights of our people, we will support the government in its initiatives.